Hello there, senior high school students. Welcome back here on my channel. This is me once again, Teacher Jinjin, your virtual teacher here on YouTube. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, gumagawa ako ng mga Tagalog tutorial videos mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Magandang araw mga minamahal kong grade 11 learners. Sa video na ito ay itutuloy natin ang inyong topic about transcendental functions at i-guide ko kayo sa inyong assessment na problem. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga previous video natin, i-click nyo na lang sa taas or hanapin nyo na lang sa playlist natin. Alright? So dito, solve the limit of log x as x approaches 10 by completing its table of values. Solve the one-sided limits and graph its coordinate on a Cartesian coordinate plane. So, disclaimer lang, papalitan ko ito ha para isolve ninyo yung nasa module ninyo. So, palitan ko muna ito ng 9. So, the table of values for x inputs that approaches 9 from the left. Pag from the left, syempre babawasan natin ng isa. Bawasan natin ng isa. Okay? And then, dito naman, table of x values that approaches 10 from the right. So, bawasan ulit natin ito ng isa. Magiging 9 na lang siya. Okay. Para isolve ninyo itong nasa module ninyo. So, ang given na function natin, we have limit of log x. So, basically, ang gagawin lang naman natin ay substitute lang natin yung values of x dito sa ating calculator. So, we have log 8.9. So, that would be equal to 0.9493900066. Okay, so ganyan lang gagawin ninyo. And then, kapag naman ang value ng x natin is log 8.99, that would be equal to 0.9537596,917. So, ganun lang siya kadali. And then, we have also log 8.999, and that is equal to 0.95419.2518. So, kung mapapansin nyo, palitan natin to ng 9. As x approaches positive 9, our value of y approaches what? Approaches 1. And then, dito naman sa ating from the right, so palitan lang natin itong log natin or yung value ng x ng 9.001. That is equal to 0.9542907617. Okay? And then we have also 9.006, and that is equal to 0.9545319426. And then, kapag ang value ng x is 9.01, that is equal to 0.9547244791. So, as x approaches 9, kapag lumalapit siya sa 9, saan lumalapit yung value ng y natin? Lumalapit siya sa positive 1. Meaning to say, eto, log x as x approaches 9 from the left is equal to positive 1. Dito naman, positive 1 din. So, dagdagan nyo na lang ito ng equal to 1, equal to 1. Pero syempre, iba yung sagot ninyo kapag 10 yung gagamitin ninyo. So, dito sa number 5, after answering questions 1 to 4, answer the limit of log x as x approaches 10. Diba, kapag pareho sila from the left at from the right, kapag pareho sila, meaning to say, ang two-sided limits natin is equal to positive 1 din. Pero, kapag hindi na sila nag-equal, magiging GNE or does not exist. And then, graph all coordinates in a Cartesian coordinate plane. So, again, i-graph nyo lang naman itong table natin. Itong nasa table natin sa Cartesian coordinate plane. But for me, I will be using desmos.com para mas maganda siyang tingnan at mas accurate yung kanyang mga points. So, nandito na tayo sa desmos.com. Input lang natin yung function natin. So, pindutin natin to, then ABC, then F, parenthesis X, equals log X. And then, input natin yung mga tables. Ang ginamit natin na values from the left is 8.9, 8.99, and 8.999. Then, from the right naman, 9.01, then 9.006, then 9.1. Okay? So, ito yung magiging graph ng ating function. So, as you can see, as x approaches positive 9, habang lumalapit yung x natin sa positive 9, saan lumalapit yung value natin na y? So, ito yung x natin na positive 9, and then ito yung y-axis. So, as x approaches 9, our value of y approaches positive 1. So, pag itataas natin, ito na yung positive 1. Ito yung 0.95. So, nasa taas niya is 0.96. So, habang lumalapit sa x na 9, our value of y approaches positive 1. Okay? Kung nakatulong ito sa inyo, please do like this video at mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!